Hi everybody, my name is Amanda Boyles. I'm ODFW Statewide Angler Education Coordinator. So you caught your first fish. What do you do with it? I am here to show you how to prepare your fish for the table. So the first thing you want to do is you really want to wet your table because it can get slimy real quick. And this really helps the fish slime not stick. What you're going to need is obviously a very nice hose. A fillet glove is a must. A nice table, a very sturdy table. You do not want to play around with an unsturdy table when you have a sharp knife, which is of the utmost importance. Make sure your knife is sharp beforehand. Use a stone or a knife sharpener, whatever you got. So we have a nice trout here that was given to us from ODFW's hatcheries. Thank you, hatcheries. So what you're going to do, you always want to place your fish as close to the edge of your table as possible. Use your dominant hand to hold your knife and have your fillet glove, if not on both hands, your non-dominant hand that you are holding your fish. It really gets a good grip. So you're going to point your knife in the direction that the fish is facing and with a slight angle, start from the vent and go up like that. Okay. Then what you're going to do is with a smaller trout, I'm just going to show you how to just gut the fish and take its head off. And how we're going to do that is after you make this nice belly incision, make sure that you ended up cutting all the way. There you go. Then what I do is I come forward on the top of the head and I cut here and then press down so you have gone through the fish's backbone here. What I do then is I take here and I pull down, and what this is going to do is it takes everything in the inside of this fish and it takes all this bone that is on the collarbone and the pectoral fins out of here. And so you have one nice piece that you definitely don't want to eat. What you want to do next is, some people call this the bloodline. It's actually the fish's kidney. You want to take this take your knife here and just gently cut that. It's not very thick at all. Just cut that all the way down. And with the smaller fish, you can use your thumb here. With the larger one, I definitely like to use a spoon to scrape that out. Or definitely use a spoon if you're a little queasy. But take your fingers here and just run that through here. And get all of that out. And then throw that away. Take your hose again. I'm gonna and just gently get all of that stuff out. You definitely don't want to eat any of that. Alright, so this is relatively what it should look like. You don't have to get all of it. If your fish will not fit in the pan like this, what you can do also is you can chop the tail off here, and just again be very careful. This is also key to having a fillet glove and a sharp knife, and you can discard that. You can also take these fins off. You can do this at the beginning or here as well, but and then chop these. I usually don't even bother with these on smaller fish, but I'm showing you how to do this here with the little bit larger ones. You could scale this, get a nice scaler, or just use honestly a butter knife and chip these away here. And all of this is good to eat. Peel this off, peel the backbone off, and you have really nice meat. And this is my favorite way to waste the least amount of meat on a fish.